Hello guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Vishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. Before starting this video, I want to thank all my supporters and subscribers who are making this channel grow. Let's do a general collective reading for a sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This reading is all about how do people see you, how how your friends look at you, how your family looks at you. Okay, so it's a general reading, it's a fun type of reading, so take whatever resonates with you, and if it doesn't resonate, the messages are not for you. Do like, share, subscribe my channel. So let's get started. I have already shuffled the cards. Let's get into your reading. So what your friends think about you? Your friends think that King of Wands and Ten of Swords. They think that you had a brutal ending with one of your partner. They stabbed you in the back, and now you don't want to be loyal with anyone in this world. That is what they think. Or this can also mean that you were a player, you were having multiple parties, and you have ended uh, this type of lifestyle now. Yeah. What your family thinks about you? Nine of Pentacle and Chariot. Your family thinks that you have everything you want. You are single, but you need to move forward now. There might be a cancer involved, or they might be thinking of you to get married to some cancer, or you should take your relationship carried forward with this cancer. This can be the thing. So they think that you are happily single and you are abundant person. If you are a lady, they think that you should move forward right now. You should think about moving forward in life. I can see this butterfly, so they think that you need to transform your life. You are just happy, you don't want to get out of your comfort zone, but they want you to move forward. Okay, so next is how do you see yourself? Hierophant and Knight of Swords. Okay, I think you are thinking about marriage, or there is a Taurus involved with whom you want to communicate. You want a quick communication with this Taurus. I don't know what it is about, but I can see that you want to communicate. Okay, so here, how do people other than your family, friends, see you, like your colleagues or people around you, like neighbors and all, your staff or anything like that? So, Eight of Cups and Justice. Libra might be in your chart, I guess. So here I can see that these people think that you have to walk emotionally away from whatever happened with you, which will bring balance in your life, but you are not moving on. That is what other people think. If you want to bring balance to your life, you have to move on emotionally from something what happened with you. Okay, so how you want others to see you? Page of Wands, Two of Pentacles. You want others to see that you are taking you are trying to balance your finances, and you are looking forward to work on your finances. That is what I can see here. This is how you want others to see you. And lastly, what actually is happening with you? This is Empress and Three of Pentacles. Either there's a mother figure involved who is helping you build your financial thing, or you are working on your money with the help of mother figure. It can be your mother, someone's mother, I don't know, maybe your wife. It can be anybody, but this person is really mature and they're having all the abundance in the world. and they are very beautiful too. Can you see this card? This is so beautiful. So I think here I can see that actually you are working on your money with an abundant person. Yeah, I can put it that way then. And there might be a Leo also involved here, or Leo might be in your chart. You are thinking, you are holding back from a Leo whom you want to give this offer to. Yeah, this is what I'm seeing here. So this is how people see you. People see you that you are very strong and you are very bright. You don't fear anything. You are a very courageous person. This is how people are looking at you currently. So if you have a partner, or if there was an ex-partner with you, what do they feel? Okay, this card wanted to come. Yeah, if you are a lady, they think that, let's see, three. Okay, yeah. If you had an ex-partner or your current partner, take whatever resonates. This person thinks that you are working on your money, you are getting matured, okay, you are coming out of some decision which kept you stuck, judication and imprisonment. If there was legal thing involved here, any somehow, they are thinking that you are getting out of that and you are maturing. You are leaving all this setbacks behind, and you are just working on your money. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 is a life path number. You are on correct path of your life purpose. That is what they see. And you are not bothered what people say about you. You are just not bothered. Can you see, this lady is just working on her craft? So this is how people see you. I hope you like this kind of readings. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell for more videos. For personal reading, do check description box. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light. Bye.